500. Hold on. This is supposed to be 620, but she doesn't have yet sales. So maybe tomorrow, the remaining 500 pesos. How are you, by the way? Very good. Hello there, guys and gals. One lovely morning. Wow, what a beautiful morning. You still have 620. 120 na lang. 120 okay, sige. So, bukas talaga, no? Meron ka 100, di ka lang 80. Oh, sige. Hold on. So, as we go, thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Day 128 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or business transactions or any business proposals. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, sad, devastated, mad, disappointed, angry, or whatever ill feelings that you will have. Okay? And then your dreams will not push through and will not prosper afterwards, and expand and enjoy. Okay, bye for now. Earn, save. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge.